using your vanilla Visa card in Valorant is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to show you how you guys can use the gift card from vanilla, which is a Visa gift card on Valorant to buy Valorant points. So I'm just going to open up my Valorant. As you guys can see, this is how the Visa card will look like, which is vanilla's gift card. You will have a card number, your card expiry date, and obviously a CVV at the back. So I'm just going to go to the Valorant now. And in the Valorant, you just have to go to this, you just have to click on this VP icon. It will load some time to load the store, and here, you just have to select the number of VP you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy these numbers. I'm just going to click on this link, it will load, and there you guys can see. It wants me to put the information for the card, and as you guys know, the vanilla Visa card have all the necessary information that you can put right here. Your card number, your expiry date, your CVV. And after that, you just have to click on this pay. What it will do is pay for the Valorant points that you want to buy through your vanilla Visa gift card. So that's how you guys can use your vanilla Visa gift card in Valorant. Hope you guys find this video helpful.